Hi, today I have Samsung Tab S10 Ultra and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. Firstly, open Settings application and it must activate our develop mode. To do that, swipe down and choose About Table Selection and there's software information where we have our build number. To activate our develop mode, we need spam and tap sometimes on it and confirm it entering our look screen. Now we are developed. When we are in develop mode, we go to the general management and there we have new additional settings, developer options, sorry, not there. We have it there in our main menu and there memory. Now we have information about our available random access memory. It is 6.6 GB right now. Thanks for watching. Bye.